Okay, like this is mad cute, like, and I styled this by myself. Like, I might as well become a hairdresser right now because I am just like, this is so cute. Oh my god, I feel like a movie star. I feel like my name is Ashanti and not Susan, not a Caucasian name. It's like something. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Susan here, aka Miss Princess Susie, and as you can see in this video, I just styled this hair. Guys, I'm giving myself like movie star vibes, like, you know, like this is damn cute. Like, I haven't done anything like this before and I love it. Starting this hair was kind of stressed because I wanted it to look natural. I don't know if I pulled it off, but it looks natural enough. I really like it. This hair was sent to me by, I think the website says SoGood Hair, but you know, I will link everything in the description box. If you guys want to know how to style this wig or make it look natural, please continue to watch. This hair is very affordable and the quality, I like it. Like, I'm feeling it. So yeah, if you guys would like to see how I style this hair, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Hello you guys, so this hair was sent to me by SoGood Hair. It's in 150% density and it's full enough, and they sent me this hair in 12 inches. I really do like the lace because it's kind of transparent, so I didn't have to do anything. The moment I cut the lace, it was able to blend with my skin tone. So what I'm doing here is I'm trying to create a pattern. I wanted to do it side instead of center because I feel like the typical bob hairstyle is always center. So I was going for something kind of different. So as you can see here, I'm just tweezing the hair because you can't see where the line in my hair is supposed to be. So I'm just trying to tweeze it, and I'm using my hot comb. I'm going to link this hot comb down in the description box. Very affordable. I love it. It's just helping me to flatten down the hair a bit more. But yeah, I'm just tweezing the hair to give myself a side part. Let me just say, there was a lot of tweezing in this video because I wanted it to look natural. I didn't want to just like cut the lace and put it on and then look like, I don't know, a monkey. But oh my god. But yeah, I wanted it to look natural. There was a whole lot of tweezing in this video. Like, this is just, you know, sped up and it's just like some parts are cut off, but there's a whole lot of tweezing. As you can see here, I've wet the hair just so I can see what I'm doing, because wet hair, you are able to see the lace properly. You're able to see how much you've tweezed so far. And I'm combing it out to remove the hair that I've already tweezed. And then again, I'm going in with the hot comb to just, you know, flatten everything out. But yeah, there's a whole lot of tweezing, and I'm going back in with my spray with water inside so I can see what I'm doing. Like, we want this to look as natural as possible. Even when I was finished, like, it wasn't the type of, you know, finished look I was going for, but it still looked natural enough and it was nice. So here I'm cutting off the lace. Usually I would cut the lace off camera, but I decided to do it while it was on my head. I think this is my first time cutting the lace while it was on my head, but you know, it worked fine. And as you can see, like, the lace is transparent, like it blends in well with my skin tone, so I can say I really like that. So I'm just cutting off the extra lace around my ear area because the lace was pretty long. So obviously I need my ears to be able to like breathe. But yeah, I'm still tweezing, guys. Like, goodness, this hair took a lot of tweezing. The hair was all over my floor, but I really did like how it came out. So the tweezing was all worth it. So I'm now somewhat happy with it and I want to glue it down. I'm going to go in with my Got To Be Free Spray. I don't really use the glue anymore. I feel like the free spray works just fine. So I'm just spraying that there. And the reason why I'm tilting my head back is because when you first spray, it's kind of like liquidy and it will run down your face. So I'm just putting my head backwards so it doesn't run down my face. So as I'm blow drying the Got To Be Free spray on my head, I'm pressing it down with my tail comb and brushing it outwards to make sure that it still looks natural. When you press the lace into your head, that's what creates the little lace melt that looks natural and bomb. So I love pressing the lace down as I'm blow drying it. It just works fine, you know what I'm saying? Also, I didn't really tweeze the other side of my head there because I wasn't showing that part off and I was already tired from the tweezing I had been doing. So I was like, whatever, I'm not showing that side, so I'm not going to do much tweezing. But if I was doing like a middle part bob, I would concentrate on both sides as equally as much. So that's why I was like, nah, I ain't doing that right now. Like, no. So now I'm creating some baby hairs, not a lot, just to give me that little, that little kind of, natural, And as I'm doing that, I'm kind of like pulling out the hairs, but be careful with the lace because you might rip your lace and you don't want to do that. But yeah, I'm just swooping the hair backwards. I'm not trying to use a whole lot of baby hairs because it wouldn't look natural. It just look like I'm doing the most. But yeah, I'm just lightly creating baby hairs and you know. I am now satisfied and I'm going back to find that side part I tried to do. This time as I'm trying to create the side part, I'm holding the part I'm holding down is just so, I don't miss the part. So I'm just like plucking it again. Oh God, plucking again. And this time, once I pluck it and I can see the part, I'm gonna go in with my Fawn concealer just to, what's that word I'm looking for? Intensify. Yes, I'm trying to intensify the side part. I'm now kind of straightening but curling my hair, and I'm curling it and straightening it away from my face just to give me that, like, that 2000s Nia Long vibes, like, Ashanti, like, you know what I'm saying, like I just wanted something cute but still like sexy, you dig? So yeah, that's what I'm doing. So now I'm spraying some free spray just to give myself that little kind of swoop. I can't describe it, but I really love like that little bump type thing. Like, I use free spray to do this, and then sometimes I blow dry it, but I wasn't in the mood to start plugging in my blow dryer, so I just kind of just use my what's that comb called again? My tail comb. I'm using my tail comb to just help me kind of create that kind of bump factor I was going for. I can't believe I forgot the name of a tail comb. Guys, I'm actually literally so tired, but I gotta make these videos or whatever. So I'm going back again with the free spray and the hot comb just to give me that little, silky, natural, like, you guys should definitely invest in a hot comb. It really helps to flatten down your hair, especially the top, because I feel like a straightener can't really do that. And, a hot comb, it makes sense, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm going to lick it. Oh, lick it. Lick water season. I'm going to link it in the description box for you guys. And I'm also going in with some hair mousse. This hair mousse is olive oil hair mousse. Love it. Can you see? Silky. You get me? Nice. Nice. But yeah, that's it, guys. I really love how the hair turned out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you. Mwah.